So this is the factory diverter valve. We're going to just remove the 3 Allen key bolts from it that are around the casing, and then that needs to be removed. So we've removed the original diverter valve, as you can see on the turbo, and we're on this car we're cable tying it out of the way because we want to leave it plugged in so that it doesn't cause an engine check light. You can take it away completely, but you need to put a small resistor into the plug to stop the engine warning light coming on. So this is the new fitting that we put onto the turbo in place of the diverter valve, which has, as you can see, an outlet on it, which is where we put the silicone hose onto. The old diverter valve I've just mounted down here and cable tied in to leave the plug connected to it so you don't get any engine check lights on. It's basically dormant now, but if you unplug it and it's not connected to the car will see a fault and put a yellow light on the dash, which you don't want. So we'll leave that tied down there out of the way. So the kit comes with a second spring, a stronger spring, which is used on cars where the car's tuned to stage 1 or stage 2 and running higher boost pressure. You can put the stronger spring in and the valve will open at higher pressure. So we've attached the silicone hose onto the adapter plate that's gone onto the turbo. We've then attached the dump valve into the silicone hose with this hose clip and tightened that. We've got then a vacuum pressure line, a small vacuum hose coming off the top of the dump valve, round the back of the engine, and we remove the little vacuum line off the manifold, and we put a bit of silicone hose off that onto a T-piece with the original hose from that vacuum line onto the other side of the T-piece, and the third side of the T-piece going to the top of the dump valve, and that's the installation complete.